first thing you want to do when you're detoxing your closet is to get rid of things that you haven't worn in past 6 to 12 months.
That's good.
Another tip to detox your closet is anything that has a stain, a rip, or tear that does not belong, go ahead and get rid of it. Another thing to detox your closet, anything that looks old, faded, or outdated. So the first thing you can see that it is so compact. One of the best ways to detox your closet is to color coordinate. It just makes everything look a lot better when you do that. Dream closet, girl. Let's look for my dream closet. Amen. Remember these humble beginnings, guys, okay? The first thing I'm gonna do is put my fall things in first and my winter. So I know that when I open up my closet, because it's an open door like this, when I open it, I am going to go ahead and put the things that I use most on a daily when I open up my closet. The boots are in for the season, guys, just like the cowboy boots. So these are my favorite. They're so cute. Even though this is not a real cowboy boot, this is a stylish one, but I still like it. I love the cute rhinestones that I have in it and how the heels go like light to dark. This is from Steve Madden, by the way. Take all my summer things, whether it's my slippers, my flats, my open toes, because you know you're not going to be wearing those, the straps. I like to take all of those and put them in the back where you don't really need to reach for them, because it's going to be winter. You want your feet to be nice, cozy, and snug. So you would take those open toe shoes, all your summer and spring attire, and put them in the back. So like this, I'm not wearing this for fall. These are actually one of my favorite shoes. These are so cute, but they're so uncomfortable. Why do we as women have to look so good in the most uncomfortable attire? I don't understand. But I still do it. It's cute, you gotta have it, right? Anything that has to do with shoes, clothes, handbags, I have an obsession. And my new obsession is hats as well. I cannot find the other pair of these. Where are the other pairs? Jesus. These are some real cowboy boots, okay? I got these and I got these in Texas, okay? There's one thing you have to do before you become a Texan. You need to get your Texas boots. It says Goodyear. Like Goodyear tires? Goodyear, yeah. So that's how you know this is some real shoes. Watching me detox my closet. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and remember, stay fashionably fabulous. Until next time, I'm your girl Dom, your fashion forecaster and style influencer. Love you guys. Bye.